Hi everyone, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be making a Friday night special, honey garlic wings. Now I make these probably once every 3 weeks for a Friday night dinner. Quick and easy to put together, just a few ingredients to season the wings, put them in the oven, and then I make my own honey garlic sauce that I'll share with you as well. So stay tuned for my honey garlic wings recipe. So I have 25 split wings here, and I'm going to start with a very basic seasoning. This is about 2 tablespoons of pink Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of an all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of liquid soy seasoning or soya sauce. And then I'm going to mix it all together, making sure that the seasoning is evenly mixed in with the wings. I've lined my baking pan with parchment paper, and I'm going to drizzle about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil on it, but you can use olive oil as well. And I'm just using a brush to make sure that the oil is spread evenly over the parchment paper. I'm using tongs on the wings instead of just pouring from the bowl because I don't want the liquid from the bowl on the pan, or else the wings will bake and not get crispy. I'm putting these in the oven on 375 degrees for about 45 minutes, but I'm going to turn them at about the 30-minute mark. And in the meantime, I'm going to make the honey garlic sauce. So this is a little less than a 1/4 cup of liquid soy seasoning, a 1/4 cup of honey, and this is my minced garlic and oil that I make and keep in the fridge. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of this, but you can just use 2 tablespoons of regular minced garlic or even garlic powder. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, half a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a dash of salt and pepper. And I'm whisking this all together, making sure that the cornstarch gets mixed in well and there are no lumps in the sauce. Now I'm adding about 2 more tablespoons of honey and whisking again. It's been about 30 minutes, so I'm just going to turn the wings on the other side and put them back in the oven. After 45 minutes, the wings are nice and brown and ready for the sauce. I'm adding the wings to a bowl and drizzling some of the sauce onto them. I like to mix the wings in a bowl just to make sure that the sauce is spread evenly on each of the wings. These wings would go perfectly with a side of potato wedges, but they're good on their own too. Thanks for watching and happy eating!